Assalamu alaikum friends. So friends, today we are going to learn between the difference is what's the difference between the shape and the simple text box. This is the simple text box, and if we draw the shape, simple shape, you see both are same, but there is much more difference is between text box and the simple shape. If you write something in it's the part of the box, but if you write something in this simple box, it's not part of this box, it's the part of the page. So and there is also a difference between these two in the format option. If you click on this and go to the format tab, you see all the options are open, text options and all the shape options too. But if you click on the simple shape and go to the format option, you see there is only the box option are shown and the text options are closed because there isn't any text, and if you write text, it's not part of this box, it's the part of the page. So text box will be closed, so don't confuse in it. If you want to write something into the box, so simply use the text box, not the simple shape. You see the options this and the option for this. See, these all are closed and all options are open in the text box. And if you here paste anything, any picture, it's also the part of that box, text box. See, I write the text and also paste the picture in text box, it's moving with this box along with this box. But if you paste here, it's not getting pasted here, it will be the part of the page. You see, box is moving, another side picture is other, so it's not the part of this box. So if you want to write or paste something, just use the text box. And there is one main thing, if you format this picture, click not on the shape, click on the picture, so format option will be appear for the picture, not for the box. But if you click on the shape or text box, the format option will be appear for the text box. So from here you can format the text box, not the picture. But if you want to format the picture, you have to click on the picture, then there will be options for pictures where you can format this. You see, I want to make it circle. And remember one thing, as we previously discussed, if we paste the picture outside, means not in the text box, on the page, we can freely move, we can move it with the text box, or we can align from left, or we can align towards left, right, anywhere we want. But in this text box it's not possible to move the picture or align the picture. If you click on the picture, see there isn't any option for alignment, but if you click on the text box, there will be option where you wanna align, layout option behind the text, through, tight, anywhere you want. If you select tight, see, if moving, and if you write any text here, wait, first we have to delete it, it's annoying us. Is equal to rand align power. See, we selected the tight, so let's move for, see, it's tight. Now the formatting of the text box is right. From here you can also change it from tight, from behind the text, it's from behind the tight is okay. But these option will not be appear for the picture in the text box. But if you want to freely move, you have to paste this picture outside, then this alignment option will be appear. But there is a problem, if you select any, this will work on the outside the text box, not on the in the text box. See, ये जो है ये टेक्स्ट बॉक्स के अंदर ये अलाइनमेंट काम नहीं करेगी और ना ही ये ओपन होगी। इसके लिए जो है ये सिर्फ बाहर अगर आप पिक्चर पेस्ट करेंगे तो तब ये अलाइनमेंट वाले ऑप्शन काम करेंगे और फिर टेक्स्ट बॉक्स के अंदर से लेकिन निकल जाएगी। एंड देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम, इफ़ यू अलाइन दिस पिक्चर, दिस विल नॉट बी part of the text box anymore, and this will move freely. Okay, and it will not move with the text box because now it's not the part of the text box. So be careful with the use of alignment, and remember this thing, if you click on the picture, the format option will be different, and if you click on the picture, the format option will be different. Okay, these two options are opened because this is no more part of the text box. If this picture is a part of the text box, these two options will be closed and there is no option for alignment in the text box. Okay, so remember this thing and practice all these things. And if you like this video, please share this video, and if you like this video, press the bell icon for get notification and subscribe my channel for new videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.